Hey guys, welcome back to another short, sweet, and to the point video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get NVIDIA Broadcast to work with Streamlabs and Streamlabs OBS. With NVIDIA Broadcast, you can blur your background, completely remove it, have an autofocus in on your face, and just a ton of cool stuff. It's only compatible for RTX graphics cards, so all of the RTX 2060, 2070, 3000 series, it'll work. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you see my face in the bottom left, and we are currently just using the standard webcam, my HTC 525. I'm going to go ahead and change it over to NVIDIA Broadcast, and you'll notice that my face freezes up. Right from there, you're going to go to Properties again, and actually real quick, you're going to want to open Broadcast, and you'll notice this is what it's going to end up looking like. I'm going to look this, I have the background removal on quality, 1280 by 720. You're going to take that number and plug it in right here. Then you're going to go ahead and hit done. And that's how you get it to work. And then you can drag and move yourself however you want. And you will have officially gotten NVIDIA Broadcast to work. If you like the video, like it. If not, see you guys next time.